Hey guys, Irene here. Today I have a third and final behind the scenes video from my Bali trip. If you've missed the two previous videos, I will leave the link to them in the description down below. Today we are shooting at a beautiful beach in Uluwatu, and I am joined by my friend Anita Sadowska, who is an amazing fashion photographer and a YouTuber as well. And her photo shoot is going to be on her YouTube channel, so I will leave the link to that video in the description down below if you guys would like to see a different version of the photo shoot on this beach. And our model for today is beautiful Maryana. Again, everyone's links are going to be in the description down below. We started our photo shoot at around 9-10 a.m. and unfortunately it was already very bright, hot and humid, which made it pretty difficult. Plus, I didn't really have an exact idea of what I wanted to shoot, so some of the pictures were a little bit all over the place, but I still really love them. Alright, I'll stop talking now and let's just get to the behind the scenes. Okay, sit down. Yes. What if we tried that same thing just over here a little bit higher? Yes, that's really nice. What if you scooch a little bit higher? Yes, and so if you can lay almost like even more on the rock. We keep moving higher and the water just keeps getting higher too. Yeah. That looks kind of uncomfortable. Oh yeah, I like that better. I like that. Yeah, gorgeous. I actually like some of your hair in your face. What if you just get a few more of those strands? That's pretty. That's gorgeous. That's perfect. Ooh, like that. That's beautiful. What if you sit with one leg up? Is that possible? And then point your toes down. Yes, like that. Actually, let's get you sitting on these ones. On this side with your legs kind of like that, propped. Yes. Maybe like this with your back. Yes. And look, and eyes at me. Yeah. Yes, like that. That's perfect. Pulling me back, I know not tonight. Pulling me back, I know not tonight. That's perfect. Yeah, keep doing that, just like really with your back and just kind of looking straight at me. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, like that, like this. Yeah. Yeah, keep it more like this towards yourself. Yeah, from the back. Yes. Oh, I love that, like that. Yeah. That's beautiful. Okay, and I'll do even closer one. Oh, go ahead. Yeah, oh, that's gorgeous, yeah. Actually, you know what? Leave this hand down. Yeah, because I'm doing a very close-up one. Just like that, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna get even more sand on you, if that's okay. Oh yeah, that's gonna look really cool. Yes, like this, like this. Chin down, yeah. And let's get some of your hair too. Yeah. Just very messy. Yeah, yeah. What if you just kind of sit a little bit on top of this rock? Just kind of more like here, I would say, right here. This is what I want, yeah. That's perfect. Oh, I love that. Yeah, can you do both legs up? Two. It's okay, don't worry about it. I know this rock is not comfortable at all. What if you sit over here? More flat, or like over here? Or we can put something underneath you maybe, so that it doesn't... Я просто думаю, можешь что-то подложить, чтобы не царапало, не? Окей, я просто, знаешь, как хочу вот такую, где с двумя ногами. Да. Ну здесь, да, очень неудобно. Я просто думаю, где по площади. Да, вот так, да. Oh yes, with the water. That's perfect. What if you try to stand in here, like on top of either this, maybe kind of like as if you're pretending you're walking on it, something like that. Okay, stay like that. I'm gonna go far. Yes. Yes. That's perfect. And now turn around and look at me from the back. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Да, здесь свет очень красивый. Угу. Да, может даже больше вот так прогнуться. Вот так, сюда, да. Да. Угу, вот так классно. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Okay, do that again with your hands like that. That was really, really gorgeous. Oh my God, yes. Oh yeah, and so do that and just eyes at me. Yeah. Yes, like that. There you go. That's gorgeous. What if you do both hands? Yeah. And I'll do, ooh, I love that. There you go. One sec. Ooh, that's right now. Yeah, that's it. What if you sit a little bit more? Yeah, like more in the sand. More in the sand? Mm-hmm. Yeah, what if you just put your knees down? Mm-hmm. Ooh, да, вот так. О, да. Очень классно, очень классно. Okay, that's it. Keep it like that, don't move. And eyes at me. What if you just keep this hand down So like I like this one up, but this one down. Yeah. Lovely. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. Beautiful.
Where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from?
Or just like in the middle over here. What if you just really just stay here and I get all of this as a background? Yeah, right there. Stop there. Don't go too far. Stay in the shade. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. That's perfect. Yes, I love that. That's beautiful. And eyes at me. Amazing.
Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from?
There you go. Okay, awesome.
I need you to play on, play on, play on.
Okay, so we just finished our photo shoot. Thank you so much, Maryana. Maryana is Ukrainian. We should say something in Russian or Ukrainian. Спасибо за просмотр.
Дякую, всіх люблю, кохаю.
Не забудьте подивитися інстаграм Мар'яни, не забудьте, это не русский. Посмотрите ее инстаграм, все будет в описании. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!